What's happening, YouTube? This is Neff and Natalia with Nocturnal Labs. Today, finally, boom, we get to do the unboxing. Well, my daughter's gonna do the unboxing. We don't have the argon tank yet. We've looked all over, and the easiest we can get it is what, 5 days? No, 5 weeks.
3 to 5 weeks.
This is 3 to 5 weeks, but we're gonna keep searching. I'm pretty sure somewhere, maybe 30-40 minutes from here, we'll be able to find some. So for now, it's gonna be the unboxing and setting up, but the welding portion is coming after, once we get that tank. So here we go. Do this. Just push the button straight up.
Oh, this one?
Yep, hard. Okay.
Oh, you said push it up. You
Push
didn't
it.
say push it in and up. Okay.
Okay.
They made.
Don't go too deep, just in case. I know, I was told to get her a knife, but I got her when she left it in her car.
Oh.
Sure did.
I sure did.
It sure did. Thank you very much.
Instruction manual. Oh, that's upside down. There you go.
We don't need this. Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
What is these?
It's a backpack.
Oh, this is
The torch.
the nozzle.
Oh,
Tungsten.
nice.
Oh, I dropped something.
Oh,
Oops.
it's the welding tip. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. Nice. Put it over here.
Hey, you put it back in the bag. It's very clean.
Put it back in the bag.
No, it doesn't fit. What is this?
Just a welding helmet.
This?
Yeah. By the way, this is a TIG 200 DC welder from Eastwood, in case you guys are wondering.
This is a helmet for real?
Yeah, you gotta put it together. And just so you guys know, to offset some of the costs, we're gonna start at least $1,000 per hour. I know. You guys probably think I'm crazy. That's too cheap, right? But we're just starting off, so let's get it done.
Anyway. Oh.
That's the whole machine.
There's more stuff.
Still got stuff in here.
Oh, it's the pedal.
Oh, the foot pedal. It's in here.
Oh, hit me.
Foot pedal.
Foot pedal. And I don't know what this is.
Over here.
This is to ground it.
Yes.
Oh my god, that is so hard. And then this is for the tank.
Yep.
That we don't have.
Exactly. We'll have it pretty soon, though.
Yeah, look, there's a brand on it. Okay. That's done. Okay.
Packaging.
I think this one's gonna come out. More packaging.
Packaging.
Are those little boxes? We can use those.
Yeah, found them. More foam. More foam. Oh, that's nice. That's the TIG 200 DC. Look at that. Beautiful. Put that one on top of the car. Oh, that looks so nice. Super compact. And it brings an extra plug. So the plug here, coming straight out of the machine, is like one of your dryer plugs, but it's actually got a connection. So you plug this bad boy in here, and it goes to the 110. So that's perfect for our setup.
That was it. That's all that came in the box. And the other day, go grab it. Where is it back here?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. The other day, these came in. Come here, them.
Yeah, it comes off just like that.
The other day, our filler rods came in. We got 10 pounds of it. I think these are copper. Yeah.
And they're what, like 3 feet long?
They're really long.
Yep, it's about 3 feet long. Maybe 2 feet. I don't know, about 2 feet.
But they're pretty long. By the way, this is what the apparent $1,000 bracelets are going to be made out of.
Oh yeah! Hey, we're going to be making welder's bracelets. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to have a few videos on making those too. So pretty sure you guys are going to love them.
That was it. That's my unboxing.
And that's the unboxing.
Until next time when we get the tank.
Yes, when we get the tank, we'll do a follow-up video, so we'll keep you guys posted on how the whole setup is going. Right? Alright, y'all. Well, that's all we have for today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, hit that like and subscribe. Peace.